hope you all are having a very great weekend. And today I am welcoming you all to educate you all for women's health and why women's health, and in that also particularly PCOS. So why women health is so important? See, staying healthy is important for each and everyone. But when we are not well and we go to a doctor or any health professional, the study shows that male and female, if both either of them, male actually respond to any of the treatment more early than the females. And why it is so? Be it is a diabetes or be it is a hormonal imbalance or anything. Why? Because females by nature, and because of our tradition and all these things, they are actually taking care of all the things from home to office to kids to everything. But they don't take care of themselves. Most of the females, I'm not saying everyone, but most of them. And because of that, they don't take care of their eating pattern or their sleeping pattern, and in the long run or in the small run only, they go to some hormonal imbalance disease. And first thing today we are going to take it for the PCOS. And PCOS, I think 9 out of 10 females are suffering from PCOS. So let's educate ourselves that what it is, what are the symptoms, what are the reasons, and what all. So I have four wonderful panelists with me today who are going to educate you about the symptoms, how to take care, and all these things. So I have Revati, Gayatri, Sahana, and Supra. So let me welcome you all. So hi Revati. Okay, I think. Hi Revati, can you hear me? Okay. Hi Gayatri ji, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, hi everyone. I am Gayatri. I am live in Pune. I am a homemaker and also health consultant. Thank you.
Welcome, Gayatri. Hi, Sahana. Please introduce.
Hi everyone, happy evening. Thank you Rashmiji for inviting us here. So for those who don't know me, I'm Sahana. I'm basically from Bangalore and I work in a corporate, also passionately practicing health and wellness. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome, Sahana. Supra.
Thank you so much, Rashmi, for welcoming to this panel discussion. A great evening to everyone, and I wish everyone is having a great Sunday. For everyone who doesn't know me, I'm Supra. I work with a corporate and very passionate about health and fitness, and currently working towards that. Thank you, Rashmi.
Okay. So, welcome, everyone. And my first question goes to Revati. So, Revati, with your introduction, I just wanted to know what is PCOS and just brief me about how to identify what is PCOS.
Good evening, all.
Over to you, Revati. Yeah, Revati.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, firstly, see, we all know that a woman has two ovaries, and yeah, ovaries really play a major role in a woman. Like it controls the women's menstrual cycle, fertility, and many more things. So, and it also releases the female and male hormones both in case of women. Okay, so now the problem arises when the male hormones are actually more than the female hormones, which is this is the condition which we call as PCOD, which is nothing but polycystic ovarian disease. And if this condition is left untreated for a long time, like in most of the cases, we don't get the knowledge of PCOD. So then it arises to a condition called syndrome. It's nothing but the polycystic ovarian disease. So when I say syndrome, it's nothing but a pack of different diseases, okay? Like where you see in the other parts of the body apart from the ovaries. You can see you get the acne and you experience that your skin is too oily, and it is there in the unwanted regions of the body like chin, chest, and also yeah, definitely the irregular periods is something that you definitely see it. And then yeah, you experience fertility, which is nothing but
okay.
conceiving.
Okay. So, yes. So thank you, Revati. And what Revati told, PCOS and PCOD. PCOD, when only you have only one disease symptom, since your periods are not regular. But when, and if you find it out, we are so scared to go to doctor for the checkup. So one symptom will come, and we'll think we will treat it out. So okay, एक period ही तो irregular हुआ, okay, no problem. There is something now only, it is okay. So we will try it, all the home remedies, everything, but we will not go to the doctor unless and until there is an alarming situation. So why to wait for such an alarming situation? What Revati was telling, that see about, because you should be very careful about when you are getting it right time or not, because the hormone, and I will say everything in the nature, it actually goes in a sync, and if it is not properly coming, then there is a disturbance, and go to check. And we don't go, हम बहुत सारा सामान इकट्ठा कर लेते हैं, then only we go. So I will ask Gayatri, that Gayatri, please educate us that what are the symptoms, so that we can be aware, and we will be actually taking it for the priority to go to the doctor or get it checked. So Gayatri, please help us to know.
So, Rashmiji, there are so many symptoms you will find in PCOD. Okay, so excessive oil in your face, acne in your face, that is pigmentation problem also, and abnormal hair growth in your faces and body parts also. Then hair fall. Hair fall is the major problem here. So every women have hair fall, but in these PCOD cases, hair fall also a major problem, and weight gain. Then in weight gain, I have seen so many cases in teenage, school-going girls and college-going girls also developed weight gain more than their normal weight. So because of PCOD, so it is a very big problem. And you know, one is mood swing. How will you understand about the mood swing? So in mood swing, that is sometimes you feel happy, sometimes you feel sad, and sometimes you feel hungry, and sometimes you may not also. So that is mood swing. वो हमेशा mood ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है. So that is mood swing. And another major problem is conceive difficulties in when कंसीव का जो भी मतलब लेडीज कंसीव करना चाहते हैं, तो पीसीओडी का प्रॉब्लम जिसको है वो कंसीव करने को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो दैट्स and इसका
Okay.
so let us know why it is happening and what are its reasons. So reasons are genetic reasons. अगर मम्मी को कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ है तो बेटी को होगा. दैट्स but and ignorance during early age. So आज मेरा periods मिस हो गए, ओके, तो वो ignorance में early age में अगर ignorance हुआ होगा तो भी बहुत problem. वो एक रीजन है. कैफीन, जो भी कैफीन बहुत यूज करता है, एंड स्लीपिंग पैटर्न, आउटसाइड फूड, जो भी जैसे पिज्जा, बर्गर, आउटसाइड फूड आल्सो वन वन ऑफ रीजन. एंड हाई अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, जैसे ड्यू टू लेट नाइट वर्क, लेस physical exercise, less sleeping, that these are the main symptoms and reasons of PCOD.
Okay. Thanks, Gayatri. So I think you have noted down the symptoms, and you will be very careful once you see any of these. See, mind my words, I am saying any of these. So it should be alarming one, because you cannot let it ignored. And if you have heard her when Gayatri was talking about mood swings, see, women are very unpredictable. That is okay. But unpredictable and mood swings, these are two things. Unpredictable, if I am lifelong, that is a different issue. But yes, when the period is not happening and I am going into any depression kind of thing, then you are actually, might be a symptom of PCOS. And there are reasons. Maybe you have insulin resistance, or so many things are there. And the major problem is there when the women come to know, they will ignore the periods if it is not coming. But after the marriage, when they are not able to conceive, that time the alarm rings, and then they will say, what is happening? Why? Because they have left them untreated for several years. So please remind about yourself, check that whether these any of these symptoms are there, get it checked. And it is always be कि आपको टेंशन नहीं हो, you are safe, just check. बोलते ना checklist में, this is not there, this is not there. Okay, so we came to know what is PCOS, what are the symptoms and reasons, Now, Sahana, can you help us that how to come out of this disease? How can we treat this PCOS?
Thank you, Rashmi ji. Again, it's a wonderful question, actually, because now we know what is PCOS and the reasons, the causes. Revati and Gayatri have summarized it so beautifully. So now, when it comes to treatment, with my personal example, I was a part of this PCOS family about a decade ago, but I did not know a solution. And the moment I think we think about solution, we jump into a allopathy doctor, right? So that's very common, but over a period of time I realized that allopathy treatment cannot solve this problem, and it will take a lot of time to come out of this. And I also understood that they will put you on diabetic medicines, or they'll put you on birth control pills or contraceptive pills, which will regularize periods for that point of time. But as gradually as the course of time, it will definitely have a lot of other impact with our future planning or our future life. So when I understood this, after a lot of research, I actually got into preventive health. I got the treatment for quite some time. It definitely helped me, but my major, not just mine, and a lot of the generation right now is like that, where you see this in every other girl. Like Rashmi said, 9 out of 10 girls have this problem. So every other girl I saw, and to compare to what I did, it definitely helped me. Along with preventive health, the very major thing that I followed is food practices. Food is very important. The type of food we are eating, it could be the extra junk or trans fat foods or anything that, and also majorly the food timing, because my work shift was a little different. My food timing also had an impact, with which my obviously health also impacted. So when I started correcting this, my basically it was a whole, the buzzword, right, lifestyle. So the whole lifestyle change happened, and now I can say I'm a happy testimony of coming out of PCOS. And over a decade of time, a lot of people have helped me around this, and I must say I'm really proud of it. Thank you, Rashmi ji.
Thanks, Sahana. And the best part is when she has gone through it and how she has come out. So when you listen the real life experience, then you know, yes, there is actually a chance to get it cured, and how she has explained it very beautifully. And one more thing, I really wanted to scare you, because if until and unless you are scared or you are alarmed for your health, you are not going to go for the checkup. So what Sahana was telling, that ki allopathic medicine. So that medicine which you are taking it, that what it can be done, it will be actually जब आप वो contraceptive pills या लेते हो, then there are chances that you are not going to conceive also. There are risk of that, or you are going to gain lot of weight. So these two things are there, and no one wants to do any of these things. So when you are getting the treatment, see what are the side effects also, and can you take it lifelong? No, it is not possible. So the best thing, when what Sahana used, preventing healthcare and the lifestyle. So I would like Supra to help us how to change the lifestyle, and how the lifestyle actually plays a major role in correcting PCOS. Over to you, Supra.
Thank you so much, Rashmi, for the wonderful question. And we are having a very important discussion on PCOD or PCOS. And as we know, entire panel really covered very beautifully. Hota kya hai, symptoms kya hai, how are we suffering, and how ignorant we are. Let me be very clear to you. We really ignore. I know many of my friends, many of my colleagues around me who, when we are walking around, talk about this, but we keep ignoring it months together and years together also maybe. But let's get started. Now that we need to start working to this known fact to control the unknown things in our life, we are here to help all of you. So the moment when I say we are here to all of you, ऐसे ही panel discussion नहीं हो रहा है, because everyone is suffering around us. This is just an awareness. That's why we are again and again saying this is a prevention healthcare panel discussion, where we at least educate 10, 15, 20, and 100, and it multiplies. When we educate people around you, you get to know someone has a PCOS. Why don't you connect the person with this video, and it would really change that person's life, because women are beautiful and they need to be beautiful. So let's know how we can be more beautiful with this disease. let's understand this earn principle. Exercise, a moderate amount of exercise बहुत ही जरूरी होता है सबको, सबके लिए. But are we really doing it? We ignore, नहीं आज नहीं करते कल करते हैं. That's okay. 5 days a week is a good amount, I would say, because I also sometimes become lazy and I sleep. But at least a 5 days is a minimum, I would say. If you're not able to hit a yoga center or a gym, sit at your home, relax, do some good posture, good asanas, good yogas, which can really control your PCOS or PCOD. If it is in the beginning stage, if it is a major stage, get help of a good nutritionist, get help of a doctor, and get to know more how far or how depth the concept has gone. And coming to the attitude part, your mind plays a bigger game than any other thing, guys. Make yourself aware about good books, try to know about this, learn more, associate yourself surrounding with good people, where you can do a beautiful self talk about yourself being healthy and fit every single day. Coming to a good rest, are you sleeping 5 to 6 hours? I don't think so. If you are really sleeping that much, is it a sound sleep? Agar wo nahi ho raha hai, then make sure you take a good amount of power nap in the daytime, because that gives a good amount of energy and freshens up your mind. Last but not the least, nutrition plays a major role. आपके प्लेट में क्या क्या खाना है, that really plays a major role.
Okay. So what Supra was talking about is exercise. She covered exercise. Earn. So earn principle is covering exercise. You should be doing 150 minutes of exercise in a week. Attitude, she told about having a good positive association, and we all are part of a very good positive association. So if you like, be a part of it, because if the mind has something good inputs, then only that it will show it on your body. Rest is needed, and I was when what Supra told, I just wanted to elaborate. Do the social distancing with your mobile also. Do this one while you are sleeping. It put 1 hour away before you are going to bed, because this is needed. You don't need that radiation. Sleep peacefully, and don't be in a hurry to reply each and everything, because this is the way all the people why we are suffering it. We are into the continuous messaging or social media something. Take distance. And then nutrition, yes, she was right, nutrition plays the major role. What is nutrition? Eating right at the right time. So your plate should be balanced with the timing also. It doesn't mean कि आप खाना तो एकदम balanced food खा रहे हो, right amount of protein, carbs, micronutrients, macronutrients, everything, but you are eating it at the right 9 p.m., 10 p.m. at night. So that what it will then, it will not give you the nutrition. It will only give you the fat part. So always remember, keeping yourself healthy is not so easy. But yes, if you are not healthy, the life is not easy. So choice is always yours, whether you will eat right or you will not eat right and make your life harder. So eat right. And what are the things? You should be eating high fiber food, high protein food, good amount of fat. That good fat should be there in your plate. So if you are eating it, then take help, because I know many people whom I met, we all are actually taking care of so many people with the diet and all these things. And we know so many people, what they do, they research it. But my dear friends, every body is different. So you need a particular type of diet for your body. I am from North India, so I need a North Indian diet. Sahana is from South India, so she eats South Indian food. So according to diet is eating right. Diet is not starving yourself or going in a fat diet or something. So eating right is major thing. And yes, after eating right also, if there is a gap, you need to supplement it with a good, healthy, organic supplements. Because what happens, we all have gone to the school, and then we have gone to our coaching centers or anything where we were actually wanted to get some extra knowledge. So the supplement will play the role of that coaching, and you will be getting that disease cured. So what is the pleasant thing? If our PCOS can be cured by eating right, exercising right, having a good right nutrition, right sleep, and right mindset. If everything is in your control, then why don't we do it? Yes, you should be doing it. And the main focus of ours is to educate you so that you can take care of yours. And you believe me, if a woman is healthy, if a woman is happy, that whole house is healthy and happy. Because you have heard it, women can make it or break it. So if she is not happy or healthy, believe me, that house you will find the wives. That I always say, yes, I maybe you will say, yeah, I am little biased about, yes, I am a woman, so I am little biased about, but yes, we are taking care of so many things, and why don't we take care of ours? So take good care of yours by eating right. And yes, If you want to know more details, you can come and contact any of us and they will be giving you, because in 15-20 minutes, we cannot explain each and everything. And that's all from our side. Thank you so much, everyone. And thanks, Supra, Gayatri, Sahana, and Revati for joining, and hope we had added value to you.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
so much, Rashmi.
Thank you, Rashmi ji, for the
Thank you,
opportunity.
Rashmi.
Thank you.
Thank you
Okay.
all.
Bye.
Bye.